today we are going to start lesson 1 in picture graphs. Lesson 1 is about reading picture graphs with scales. You'll be able to read, analyze, and interpret picture graphs after learning about this lesson. You'll also be able to complete your own picture graphs, so we'll see all of this being possible in a minute here. Now, you should have already put in your picture graph vocabulary into your distance learning notebook. 3 of those vocabulary words are right here. Now, for an example, they have this picture graph right here. This is showing different kinds of balls. You have a soccer ball, basketball, rubber ball, and baseball. Then you have the key, and the key tells you what each symbol stands for. These circles are the symbols. So in this case, one blue circle is one ball. You'll be able to see how many types of balls matter in each place. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for the soccer balls, 8 for the basketballs, 10 for the rubber balls, and 4 for the baseballs. That is how you read a picture graph. Let's take a look at some practice. Here it says, use the picture graphs to find the missing numbers. Sam's friends have lost some of their teeth. He draws a picture graph to show the numbers of friends who have lost teeth. You can see the symbol that they use for this one is a heart symbol. And each heart stands for 3 friends, like it says right here. Now, based off of that, you can see how many people lost 1 tooth, 2 teeth, 3 teeth, or 4 teeth. Let's try answering the questions. Number 1 here says the number of children who have lost blank teeth is the same as those who have lost blank teeth. In order to find out the answer, I should probably find out how many teeth have been lost by how many people. So there is 1 heart here for this one, and I know that 1 heart equals 3. So 3 people have lost 1 tooth. In 2 teeth, there's 1, 2, 3 hearts. So that's 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 9. So 9 people have lost 2 teeth. There are 2 hearts in the 3 teeth section. So that would be 3 plus 3, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 6 people have lost 3 teeth. And then in the last section, there are 3 hearts in the 4 teeth section. So that's 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 9 people have lost 4 teeth. Now for number 1, like it said, they lost the same number of teeth. So that means that I need to find the one that has the same amount of people in each section. That would be 2 teeth and 4 teeth. So the number of children who have lost 2 teeth is the same as those who have lost 4 teeth. Both sections lost 9. Well, both sections have 9 people who lost teeth. Now we should count up how many friends Sam has in all. So I take the total number of people from all sections. So let's see here. I'll start with 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. So then I've done this one and this one. Then 6 plus 9, which is 15. Then 12 plus 15 equals 27. So Sam has 27 friends in all. Let's continue practicing. Now this is a different picture graph. This time, Miss Bishop owns a pet shop. She starts to draw a picture graph of her pets. It shows the number of each kind of pet in her shop. It looks like she has turtles, fish, hamsters, rabbits, cats, and birds in this picture graph. We do not know what each symbol stands for, but each symbol looks like almost like a triangle, like a funny looking triangle. And the first thing that we need to find out is what each of those triangles stands for. Now, using this problem, number 3, it says that she has 20 fish. So I can use this information to find out what each symbol stands for. I'm going to go to where it says fish. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols. And if all of those symbols together equals 20 fish, I need to divide 20 divided by 5 to figure out what each symbol stands for. And 20 divided by 5 equals 4, because 4 times 5 equals 20. So knowing that, I know that each triangle stands for 4 animals, and I'm just going to put it in both places to help myself remember. Now, number 4 says she has blank more birds than hamsters. So I'm going to find out how many hamsters and how many birds she has. Starting with hamsters, I can see there's only one triangle, so that equals 4 birds. And I'll just put this as 20 fish. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles in the birds section. So 6 times 4 would be 24, because 4 times 5 is 20, so I add on another one to give 24. And it wants to know how many more birds there are than hamsters. So I would take 24, which is the total number of birds, minus the total number of hamsters, to give me 20. So she has 20 more birds than hamsters. There are blank cats and birds in all. So now that I already know how many birds there are, I need to find out how many cats there are. So there's 1, 2, 3 triangles here. So that's 3 times 4, which would equal 12. So 24 plus 12 gives me 36. So that's how many she has in all. Now, number 6 says that she has 16 rabbits, but if you look in my rabbit section, there's nothing there. So we have to draw the triangles to get to 16 rabbits. So let's see here. I'm going to add 1. So that's 4 plus another would be 8, 12, 16. So how many triangles did I draw? I drew 4 triangles to show 16 rabbits. And then the last number, number 7, she buys 8 more turtles. She'll draw blank more triangles on the graph. If she wants to buy 8 more turtles and each triangle is 4, if there's 4 plus 4 equals 8, so she would draw 2 more triangles. Now we're going to do one more practice page before we move on to the workbook pages. This graph here shows the number of different colored bows in a box. I can see that the symbol that they're using here is hearts, and for each heart it's 3 bows. So to remind myself, 1 heart equals 3 bows. Let's try answering the first question. Number 1 says, how many colors of bows are there? Well, I can see that there's blue, red, yellow, green, and orange. That gives me 5 different types of bows. So that's 5 different colors. How many of those bows are yellow? Looking at number 2 here, how many of those bows are yellow? I have 2 hearts, 1, 2, and each heart stands for 3 bows. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So there are 6 yellow bows. How many of those bows are blue? Well, there are 4 hearts, and each heart stands for 3 bows. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So there are 12 blue hearts, or 12 blue bows with hearts as their symbol. How many of those bows are green? I see that there are 1, 2, 3 hearts for the green bows. And remember, each heart stands for 3. So 3, 6, 9. There are 9 green bows. Number 5 says, how many more bows are orange than yellow? Well, I already know how many yellow bows there are. There are 6. So now I need to find out how many orange bows there are. There are 5 hearts. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 orange bows. So I need to take 15, which is the amount that's more, and subtract the yellow, which is 6, to find out my answer, which is 9. So there are 9 more orange bows than yellow. Which color has the fewest? Well, I know all of the totals except for one, which is red. Red has only 1 heart, which means there's 3, which means that the red has the least amount. And which one has the most would be the orange. Now that we are done with our practice, I would like for you to go to your workbook pages 179 to 182 and continue your practice. Don't forget about your lesson 1 homework in your distance learning packet.